guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have some fun stamps to share with you, new from Kindred Stamps. If you haven't heard of this company, they create some really fun stamps. A lot of them are inspired by pop culture, so I'll share those with you. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. And for a free with 60, if you already have the free with 60, you can choose this Rooting for You stamp set by My Favorite Things. Just leave it in the order comments box that you would like to have the Rooting for You. If you already have this one, just let me know in the order comments box and I'll send you something else. So this is a new release. This is Happy Haunting. And the sentiments read, if you got it, haunt it. Happy haunting. I hope your new house isn't haunted. In Showtime. And you can see it's inspired by Beetlejuice. Super fun. This one here, let's see, is called, this one's called Treasure. To get some matching sentiments. Live dangerously. You belong in a museum. You're a treasure. This one's called Electrifying. It's from their new release, so you get this great car. And then the two characters. Reminds me of a favorite movie growing up. We'll always be together. I hope your birthday is a classic. Your Tell me more. Hey stud, our love is electrifying. Super fun. I think this one was called Galactic number 4. So there's 1 through 4 available for this one. This is called Practically Perfect. Super cute. Nannies. There's a little penguin in there. A little carousel horse. Anything can happen if you let it. Life's as sweet as a spoonful of sugar with you. You're perfect in every way. And let's go fly a kite. Love bites. Bite me, have a dazzling birthday. I love having you in my pack. My love for you is undying. You suck, and love bites. This reminds me of a popular movie. Witch Sisters is back in stock. This one's really cute. Perfect for Halloween too. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. I put a spell on you. Best witches in amok. Yo Ho is back in stock. Super fun. This one's from the new release. It's called Magic Show. This great theater curtain. Couple of magicians. And the sentiments. Have a magical birthday. Abracadabra. Poof. Another year has disappeared. Wanna see a magic trick? Ta-da! I've been meaning to watch that movie. It's on Netflix. And this one is Never Grow Up. This one's really cute. Growing old is mandatory, but growing up is optional. Quoted by Walt Disney. Faith, trust, and pixie dust. A little bit of pixie dust. I'd like to give you a kiss. To live would be an awful big adventure. Never grow up, it's a trap. Think happy thoughts. And then they're large stamps. You get so many stamps in here and they're nice size. This is Dino Park. How fun is that? And then these great big sentiments. That is one big pile of what? Okay, this one is called Dino Park. You get a lot of stamps in here. It's a larger stamp set. Really, really fun. And make sure you read the sentiments before you buy this, just in case you're offended. Very, very, very fun. And this one here is the Off to See the Wizard stamp set. This is really cute. Jen on this design team did a card series with this stamp set. So if you want to check that out, she made some really fun cards with this. And Students of Magic. You get a lot in here. Very, very fun. So I'll have the link down below to the Kindred stamps section in the shop. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order, and US orders over 60 ship for free. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll have a new video up later on tonight, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.